Good day, everyone, and thanks for joining us here in the charts. You tuned into the Market Beast Edition. Yes, it is your fellow compadre speaking, and today we'll be exploring the SNDL symbol, as the title suggests. Maybe perhaps SNDL, Goldencross, Caution, or something like that. We really need to talk. Okay, so we're gonna get into the details. And if you're just stopping in, welcome. No, not much professionalism going on here, but we would love for you to join us on this interesting journey. Our loyal subscribers, welcome back. The YouTube algorithm is continuing to promote the channel due to your engagement, appropriate thumbs and comments. So let's get into what I'm seeing that I'm not liking in the market, and let's go ahead and dive right into the charts here, shall we? All right, so today's March the 5th, 2021, and the current price of SNDL is going to be $1.09. It's down approximately 6% for the day. Excuse me. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I think the last time we spoke of the Goldencross, and pardon me there. It appears that the Goldencross, I'm going to give you the update here in 1 second. But yeah, let's just go ahead and reveal everything here, shall we? Okay, so that's the first line. So for those of you who challenged me the last time when the price was up at like, I don't know, $2 or $3 or something, saying that, oh, come on, bro, in quotations, the price can't get down to 98 cents. Are you crazy? This is the 98 cent level right here at this white line, okay? You're right, bro. It actually got lower than 98 cents. It actually spiked all the way down to 93 cents, okay? So this is a little bit concerning for me, I'll be honest. So I say so many times. This is 93 cents. These are daily candles. If there's any moment that I will want to take a risk in the SNDL market, it will be here, but I'm super cautious. The reason that I'm super cautious is, let's go and pull up the lines here. Okay, so that's a 50-day right there. This is the 200. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to first and foremost present to you the Goldencross has officially happened, and it is officially in a bull market, but the sellers are obviously breaking down below the 50 and the 200. This means that, oh, no. This is potentially a fake out, okay? So again, I've already started to scale up my position in my 50 cent contracts. I'm not feeling comfortable with this setup right here. I'm not feeling comfortable. Because typically what happens with, let's just say the Goldencross happens, right? It is happen. SNDL is officially in a bull market. SNDL is still perfectly confined in an uptrend as long as it stays above 98 cents. I said that when the price was like $3, okay? So yeah, again, for those of you who challenge me, go ahead, keep challenging me. It doesn't matter. 98 cents is this white line. What we need to see in this market is, yeah, this isn't looking good. Like I said, guys, if you're gonna take a risk in this market, which this isn't financial advice, this would be the level like right here, right now, today. Okay, because the risk to reward is going to be, let's say, let me see, because right now it would have to go down another, let's call it like 15% to the downside. So this is where hopefully I can enter another contract before the market closes, because when you get these spikes below the price, I don't like that. But as long as it can actually close above this green line, I don't want to see it close below the 200. If it can close below the green line, let's say $1.12, then yeah, that has potential to move higher. But there's another thing that I look at that is making me kind of raise an eyebrow, because it's not looking ideal. But let's stop going back and forth here. The bottom line is this. If SNDL can close above $1.13 or $1.12, that would be an interesting sign that the buyers are stepping in near these moving averages. Some may say the moving averages, they're useless. That's fine, guys. But this is just my unique way of understanding whether or not the sellers are going to take back control of this market, because again, they have lost control as long as the price is above 98 cents, which it has spiked down to 93 cents. We have to give this price action. I think on the last video, I was saying like 2 to 3 weeks, right? Not knowing exactly how exactly this is going to play out. So yeah, again, the sellers are stepping in. Be prepared for some real volatility in this market to the downside, okay? So if we get a close below 98 cents, just know that, yeah, the sellers are, one of two things is going to take place. The sellers, there's still a gigantic gap. There's actually 2 gaps below the price now that I'm kind of looking back and seeing it. The gap is between, let's see, these are the weekly candles, by the way, 83 cents up to 98 cents. That's the first gap. and the gap down here that Mr. I don't know, I forgot his name. It's all the way down here at 37 cents, all the way up to 43 cents. That has a potential to get down there. Be open to that. The moment you say, Napoleon, that's not going to happen, man. It's not going to go down to that level, 34 cents ever again. I'm super long. That's when the market slams on you about 75, 89%. Okay, and then you have to visit aisle 10 at Walmart or wherever you live close to. Okay, so never say what the markets are not going to do. Don't get yourself, don't wet yourself like that. You know what I mean? Just always be prepared for volatility, whether that's to the upside or the downside. Okay, I know this video is a little bit rugged, guys. I don't really speak this way from my Sndl family, but I just want everybody to be prepared. Okay, because the market has gone wick down to exactly where we said. So 98 cents. If it holds, great. I'm supporting the market here. So every day it's having trouble, staying below. Let's see, $1.12 was the first level that we explained, and yeah, that's to make me feel comfortable. I don't feel comfortable. It starts breaking below that level. Let's close it out here. Let me just say this last thing. If the market does decide to go below 98 cents, there's also another interesting way that I look at the moving averages. Let's say the moving average. Let me see if I can actually just erase the candlesticks for now. Can you even do that? Sorry, guys. Super unprofessional. Yeah, so I'm not even sure if I can do that. But the bottom line is, if the market gets down to, let's just say for worst case scenario, it goes down to it breaks below 98 cents and it continues lower, and you see Sndl at 80 something cents, 67 cents. You're like, what is going on, man? What is going on? The only thing that I would be looking for at that point is the previous low, which is going to be at 51 cents. The seller's obligation is to break the price below that level. So I don't care how many red screens you see, as long as it's above 98 cents, preferably $1.12. The market is preparing to move higher. But again, I don't like the setup, guys. So yeah, I'm prepared for some volatility to the downside. All right, so let's take it one step at a time. 112 today, March the 5th, 2021. Preferably $1.12. I like to see it there. If it's still above 98 cents, it's fine. Let the markets mature. Let the buyers do what they're going to do. Step in if they're going to, right? 98 cents is the level. We're still going to have to give this price action of about a week or 2 weeks. So let's go ahead and pull up the chart here, or the time here, to see how much time is 2 weeks. The market's moving pretty fast. So if it happens tomorrow or within the next 3 days, if it breaks below 98 cents, you have to be prepared for that. Okay, so let's give the market until March the 19th, 2021. Okay, to see where the price action has played out. This doesn't look like an ideal setup for the buyers, man. I was really hoping to see this price stay at least above like $1, stay above the green line, the 50 moving average, and man, I don't know. All right, so that's all the information. I know critics all over the place, no real information. I blah blah blah. That's what I'm seeing here, guys. So let's let this play out. You guys supporting the market? Let me know down in the comment section. Are you buying Sndl at these levels? Are you walking away? Let me know that down in the comment section. Also, before you go, if you made it this far, we also cover the alternative markets when we can. Bitcoin and altcoins, if you haven't noticed that. Subscribe with us at the bell. We'll send you that information when it's available. They've covered everything. Yes, good, but out we go. Take care of yourselves. Protect your portfolio. Execute your strategies. Sndl. We're going to talk very soon, and bye for now.